Welcome to Daphenity. Meet Meatball, our adorable guinea pig and one of the cutest members of Daphenity. Get ready for nonstop cuteness, tiny squeaks, and serious snack energy, because today's video is all about Meatball. She's obsessed with lettuce, cucumbers, carrots, and of course, piles of hay. Every time she hears the fridge open, she comes running and starts squeaking, hoping it's snack time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which photo was your favorite. Let's see what Meatball's been up to.